Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and use OpenCode CLI in VS Code. At first, you have to go for the browser and you have to search for node.js because you have to install node.js in your PC. So go to the node.js official website and download the latest version. Here you can see this is the current version. So you have to go with the latest, long-term support version, and then go for the download.msa version and click here and it will be downloaded and you just have to actually install it. I already downloaded and installed it in my PC. To check if it is installed or not, you just have to type cmd and hit enter and open command prompt here and say here node-v to get the latest version. Here you can see. And now you have to actually download git. So click here git, download git and install it. And now you have node.js and git in your PC. Now you have to go to the VS Code. So let's go to the VS Code and here you have to go for the extension and add here OpenCode. Here you can see we have installed successfully the extension. Now you have to actually go for the browser and you have to go for the OpenCode, hit enter, and here you can see we have OpenCode.ai. So don't go with this option. Here you can see the second link we have GitHub option. Here you can see github.com SST OpenCode. Okay, so click here and if you scroll a little bit down, here you will find option called installation. So we have actually installed node.js right in our PC. So now we actually go with this command. So copy this, go to the VS Code, open the terminal, click here new terminal and paste it here and hit enter. Here you can see we have installed it. Here we just have to say that OpenCode, hit enter. Now here if you type any command or what can I say, if you give here any prompt, it will actually do what you actually want to do. Okay, so now we will say here, let's say build or generate, make it responsive also. So we'll do it for sometimes. Here you can see I will create a responsive library management system homepage with the embedded CSS. So we have to wait for this. Here you can see it has created home.html, right? So here you can see we have home.html. Now if you want to see the real-time output, what you have to do, you have to actually go to the extension and type here live preview. Here you can see this is from microsoft.com. So you just have to install it, and when you install it, if you go for the file and if you click here the show preview button, you can actually see the output. Here you can see this is the output. This is also responsive, and here you can see we got here a toggle button, right? It means it's responsive, right? Here you can see. So that's it. I hope you understand, and this is how actually you can install OpenCode CLI on VS Code.